spinach lang yun.
Kapilas, o lettuce. Slice onion. Ito, ini-slice sa machine para maganda yung pagkaka-slice.
Okay.
Then, smoked salmon. Ano yan, ready yan. Whole meat.
Paano chop nun? Pakatin lang na maliliit.
May cut na yan, chef. Naka-cut na yan talaga.
Ready na yan.
Ready meat yan. Okay. Yung egg mayo din.
Panalo ba?
Ano yung ingredients sa egg mayo?
Egg mayo. Egg mayo.
Then,
Tapos, onion red. Salt and pepper.
very fine onion red or
Fine.
brune wash? Fine chop or
Yeah.
brune wash?
Fine chop, chef.
Fine chop.
Tapos, pati yung boiled egg, i-ano lang yan.
Fine chop
I-ano
din
sa-
kaya pa yun?
Fine, basta fine chop lang siya, chef.
Si ano ba?
Tapos, yung coriander din, chop lang din yun.
Okay.
Tapos, salt and pepper.
Okay. Tapos hard-boiled egg.
Hard-boiled egg na. Ano yung sa egg slicer. Unang, yung palingkoy, pag ganun. Tapos, bibilingin yung itlog, tapos pag ganun ulit.
Okay.
So, then, halo na yan. Halo-haloin lang.
Tama na.
Tapos, yun, salt and pepper, titikman nyo kung ano yung lasa.
How many egg ang nilagay mo dyan?
Tatlo.
3 eggs sa ganyang portion ng
Ng,
mayonnaise.
mayonnaise.
Onion, ulitin natin. Onion, coriander chop,
Chop,
hard-boiled egg,
mayo.
chop, mayo.
Yeah. Tapos,
Salt and pepper.
Copy?
Copy. Okay. Next,
Paglalagay.
we go now to the procedure. After the demonstration of our ingredients, we go follow to the procedure. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Rye bread.
Still toasting.
Okay. Still toast. The bread first.
Ako naman.
Okay, ready now.
O, ikaw na maglagay.
Okay,
Dali.
spread.
Next, spread. Dali, ikaw na yung mag-spread. Ako yung ano. Yeah.
Where is the guacamole? First, you put the,
Cream cheese.
With dill.
herbs. Dili sa ng kilo sa alakart tayo, ha?
Ang machine natin.
Hindi tayo fine dining.
More?
Be natural. Casual ka, alakart. Be natural, ha? Kala. Huwag kung pa-subrahin doon sa ano.
Yes, yes.
Only
inside only,
Inside only, inside.
Next. Yan, nakapila na yan.
Then you put lettuce.
Okay. One piece. One piece only. Medium.
Okay.
Then put sliced onion.
Should be roca, ha? But we don't have roca, so I use lettuce.
Just a little bit.
Tanda nyo, ha?
Okay. Then you put your salmon.
Please.
Yes.
Smoked salmon.
Yes,
Cut
smoked
is
salmon.
smoked salmon.
Pick the good one. This is there. Nice and sexy. Then ikaw mag-explain.
Dalawa talaga yung friend.
That. Put this.
Wala na lagi ito.
No, wala na.
So, wala na to?
Then, egg mayo.
The standard pickup time only how many 10 minutes, ha?
For now, chef.
But dito hindi na nilagyan ng ano. Extra 10 minutes. There's no time. Sa ilalim lang talaga. Hindi na ito double sem. Hindi na. Sa top na siya. Your hand supposed to be hot. Okay?
Yeah. For now, chef. But
Kung saan naman
for now,
kapag-
because this is the first time. After that, I will promise you. I will do my. I'll do my best to.
Slice now. Give me the bread knife. Sorry, slice.
To inside chef. Slice all both sides.
Parang hindi na kayo. Sixer? Oh, chef. Give me one, chef. Not the chef. Ito.
Ganyan lang. Nag-cup lang. Tapos may.
Tapos ganyan lang.
Oo, naka-big na lang.
Ito yung plating. Sorry.
Big chef, not big.
Toothpick, chef, masisira.
Chef, toothpick. Kaya rin mo kayo yung... Ito lang to. Flipping isa. Food fighter and opposites or... Okay? Ano yan?
Pantay. Magkatabi. Ano, may ilan siyang kon.
Yan.
Yan. Okay, una ba? Next.